Hello everyone and welcome back. What we have today is a 2009 Audi A4 Quattro. Let's go check it out. Customer originally called informing that the vehicle was not moving forward or backwards. Therefore, we needed to tow it in. Once we inspected the vehicle, we realized that the flywheel needed to be replaced. And at that point, we needed to drop the whole transmission and the flywheel as well. A job that should have taken about 36 hours worth of work actually took 1/3, and we hope to have a satisfied customer. Let's go check out the final product.